There is a new pre-sale again coming to crypto.com and the Kronos chain, guys. And lately it has been an absolute mania on this chain. And a lot of people have been wondering for a while now, are we going to get another leg up in this space? Because some people have gotten burned, right? Some folks have gone into pre-sales that turned out to not be so good. Some pre-sales have been rather successful. Some of these tokens, like Crow with Knife, have achieved a $100 million market cap. And others think that they're going to also not only achieve a $100 million market cap, but try to reach a $1 billion market cap. Is this something that we can see? Well, let's talk a little bit about one of the newest updates. And guys, myself personally, I'm not a big pre-sale fan, but if there's any pre-sales that I'm willing to talk about and consider, at least on this channel and potentially for my own personal portfolio, it would be ones propped up by trusted sources like VVS Finance, the largest DEX on Kronos. Now, I don't know if I'm going to participate in this one myself, but I'm going to talk about it a little bit today and talk about some more hypotheses around the overall Kronos chain, what's going on with this pre-sale for this token, and everything that I'm just thinking on this today. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. Let's talk about the Kronos chain, what's going on for meme coins in this space, and the overall altcoin market. Smash the like, subscribe, let's go and get in. Bitcoin on this weekend, holiday weekend, happy holidays to everybody, by the way, is flat to calm at about $68,000. And Ethereum's doing very well right now as we are hitting a new weekly candle that just closed, which is looking very nice. And we're getting some more upward momentum, which is a beautiful thing to see because the Ethereum ETF was approved and the CEO of Crypto.com is acknowledging how big this is. And here's the thing I want to highlight for you guys real quick before I get into the weeds and the meme ideas right now. The Ethereum ETF getting approved is kind of like the government allowing DeFi in general to get a green light. So what does this mean? This means self-custody. This means decentralized finance. This means decentralized exchanges like VVS Finance, like others, like the Kronos chain, like the Solana chain, like Ethereum, are now getting green lighted by the US federal government, one of the biggest players on the world stage. This is a big deal, and that's exactly what the CEO of Crypto.com said in this tweet the other day. It's a big deal for the industry and even a bigger one for this cycle. And I believe that that could lead to more meme coin success. And so whether this one in particular is going to be big or not, I have no idea, but let's just talk about the new news that's coming out for VVS Finance today, just to stay on top of the new things that are coming out. They're doing another new meme offering. This is going to be the third meme offering in the last couple months that we've seen coming directly from VVS Finance themselves. First, we saw the Senior Dip token by them, which they accepted liquidity from the Crow with Knife token, which then propelled the Crow with Knife to get a Crypto.com exchange listing. We then saw the next one that came out, the Moon token, which everybody was hyped about. They didn't do anything clever with that one in terms of accepting liquidity, which I was hopeful for some of the other tokens out there like Mary and others that are trying to get exchange listings, because I did believe that Crow with Knife play to the Senior Dip presale liquidity grab was a great idea for the Kronos Labs team to then maybe get that Crypto.com exchange listing. That was my theory anyway. Could we see something like that with this new token? Well, let's talk about it. It is an initial meme offering, the third one now being launched by VVS Finance in 2024, being basically promoted by their own Twitter account. A no-cap presale starts May 29th at 8 a.m. It's going to be very interesting to see how much money they raise here, because it's going to tell us what the temperature in the room is here. And it is a cat that is a loaf of bread. So it's a cat coin / bread coin, which is very interesting. The only coin you need, play on words there. Let's just look a little bit more into it. So they've already got the website up. There are no details of other tokens that they might accept. It looks like what they're going to accept is Crow coins for this pre-sale. Again, for Mary holders, people that are looking to potentially see a move out of, Crow with Knife again, or specifically one they're looking for an exchange listing on for Crypto.com, the Mary token. It'd be great to see them accept like Mary tokens for this pre-sale. But again, who knows how that's going to play out. I was wrong on the Moon token. That was a hypothesis I had that might happen that did not play out. Well, let's see what's going on with this loaf coin. So yes, a silly cat in a loaf of bread. It's a cat that's also a loaf of bread. That's it. And they've got an interesting idea with burns, which is kind of neat. So 40% of the tokens are allocated for the pre-sale. 20% of the 20% of the supply is allocated for burns. And then you can see kind of their burning plan here. As they reach trading volume marks, they're going to be burning sections of the supply, which is going to potentially help with price action. I know a lot of people like burned tokens. And then the rest is for the liquidity pool, which is good to see. Then 40% locked liquidity, I would assume, which you do like to see. Now, am I going to participate in this, guys? I don't really know if I'm going to participate in this, but I'll look at it. I'm going to watch it, and it's only got 626 followers right now, so not launched yet. We'll see how many people pay attention to this. I think it's on a couple people's radar, but it's very interesting. But besides this silly loaf token, there's a lot of tokens that have gotten launched on Kronos. And at this point, a lot of people have been talking on Twitter and to me and my Discord. And if you want to become a part of our private Discord, you can also become a member on our channel in the link down below. You get access to our private Discord. But a lot of people say, there's been too many coins now on Kronos, right? Too many memes on Kronos. It's too diluted. Well, in a way, I agree. And, I've only got 2 meme coin positions right now, which I've talked about many times at this point. And I would consider getting more positions in these Kronos memes if I got another pump on the ones that I'm holding right now, which are Mary and Mouse Stuck in the Pasta. Again, just because I own one of these coins doesn't mean anything. I'm just being transparent with you guys. Not to say that I'm going to be absolutely right or going to be absolutely wrong here. I'm speculating just like the rest of you by a lot of the ways that I've talked about on this channel repeatedly. But there is a chance, guys, that we do get another meme coin mania round 2, and a pre-sale like this, I think it has an opportunity to get them to accept potentially like Mary tokens as liquidity, to then get another coin listed on crypto.com. If another coin gets listed on crypto.com, it could be the catalyst for another meme coin mania on Kronos. There are some big things happening for the Mary token outside of a desire for an exchange listing from crypto.com. They've got two of the top 5 exchanges in the world, is what they're alleging, that are going to be listing their token in the next probably 2 to 3 days. Now, it was like 2 to 5 days just, I think, yesterday. So 2 to 4 days from now, that's coming. I don't know what it's going to be. That could be a catalyst for more eyes on Kronos. And as for the idea of, okay, it's over diluted, there's too many memes. Think about this, guys. If you look at what's going on Solana and Binance and Ethereum and base chain, there are way more tokens on those chains. And these things, there's a lot of them that are going to $100 million, $200 million market cap. So it's, while I understand it, and I myself am playing it that way for now, if this Kronos meme coin thing triggers the Kronos chain to come alive, like it already really has kicked it off in the right direction, we could see a lot more activity on this chain, not just for memes, but for coins like VVS token, for tectonic, for the memes, of course, right? And then eventually, and hopefully, for Kronos as well. Guys, we just had a weekly candle close on the overall market cap. That is now 3 weekly green candles and 2 weekly green candles that printed in a row. We are starting our 3rd weekly green candle, and for very good reason, because of the things that's going on in the overall crypto landscape right now, with politicians just going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, right? Going crazy for crypto right now. Even both sides of the aisle are bullish on crypto, essentially trying to do crypto adoption. As Bitcoin breaks into the parabolic bull market, I expect a lot of DeFi projects and their ecosystems to thrive, like Ethereum, like Solana, like Kronos. Just like we looked at in this tweet from the CEO of Crypto.com, this is a big deal for the industry, this ETH ETF. This is the green light on DeFi. And meme coins, whether you like them or not, they're the most fun thing that's going on in DeFi. NFTs were hot for a while, but it's kind of a meme mania still. Pepe's making new highs. There's a lot of coins making new highs. It's been crazy, guys, and a lot of fun. But please be careful, guys. Do your own due diligence. I think that a second wave could come for the Kronos memes. I want to know, are you guys going to be buying this pre-sale for this loaf coin from VVS Finance? Do you think they're going to do something fancy and tricky with it, like they did with the Senor Dip token and Crow with Knife? Or do you think it's just going to be a regular pre-sale? Just kind of like any old pre-sale out there. I'm very curious what your thoughts are, guys. That's all I got in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. And don't forget, guys, this mania on Kronos chain is good for the Crow coin. If you want Crow coin to go to $1, like we do believe that that's going to happen in this bull cycle, you're going to want to see more activity on this chain. Smash like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Have a great night, everybody. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you next time.